wide coming out of Wilson. That doesn't really give Shedden the chance to challenge there, but Collard is still going to have to make this a wide car for half a lap. And look behind, Austin is being caught again by the Plato Jordan Turkington train of cars. Down towards Agostini. Is this a chance for Gordon Shedden to challenge up on the inside line? He looks, he looks, he looks. Does he commit? Yes, he does!
We apologize for the interruption, but we have some important information. We ensure all handles to bring you some devastating news. Please stand by as we gather more information. And now we will share this to you. We have unconfirmed reports that Her Majesty the Queen has been involved in a serious car crash. These reports say that a tree fell down and hit the car near the Sandringham estate in Norfolk due to storm Orlando. We will now join the ITV News team across all ITV platforms, and if you wish to continue watching the programs you are, then please go on to the ITV Hub. But for now, let's join ITV News.
Shit.
These the scenes of a disaster, but these are true. And this, the Queen's car. I'm Richard Pounder, and I'm here to talk to you all about Storm Orlando. And these are some unbelievable pictures from Blackpool. We're trying to reach to our reporter Michelle Ingermelth, but plenty of issues due to Storm Orlando. There might even be issues with your audio here, and expect power cuts, war supply losses, etc. The red warning has begun now and will survive for 3 whole days. So make sure you take necessary precautions, including do not go out at all unless it's absolutely necessary. But you see, these images are quite frightening for some people. We're going to try and reach to Michelle Ingermelth once again. Michelle. Well, it still appears we do not have any signal. But as these seasons continue, these are from about half an hour ago. But yeah, very scary stuff. We're going to try and reach out to Michelle one more time. But let's see if we can reach to her live in St. Helier. Michelle.
You can see those huge waves crashing onto the seafront behind me. It has to be said that for so many people, despite being told that this was going to be happening, many of them face sleepless nights. Of course, being in Jersey, we are on a very exposed little island. They are used to flooding here. They're used to widespread
Well, I apologize for the break in this news report. We'll try and get back to Michelle as soon as possible. And it looks like we're having further issues. Please stand by while we try to fix this.